Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday!
My wish is number 1 wish ni Jollibee lumaki. No wish ni Jollibee, number 1. Char, hindi. Gusto ko lang maging at peace and happy.
Nandito na kami sa Fatway! Since wala kaming cake, but substitute sa cake dahil birthday ni Janine.
Dila donut.
Nasabi nila ba? Best. Okay na.
Bruh.
Nakakagpakagat na. Okay, sabi ko kumagat na. Hala! It's a tradition, part of tradition. Oh my God, may ano pala kami, welcome drinks. Ay, hindi nakikita si ano. Walang 0.5 pa to eh. Ay.
This is recording. Where are we?
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Bilisan kuya! Ano naman banggayin ka na?
Shop?
Sabi niya, paano?
Bakit sabi niya, go, go, go!
Guys,
It's the first time I heard.
SM Lau. Lau. Baguhin niyo yan. Parang first time namin makarinig ng Jayco Reserve. Oh my God. I love the match. Oh, meron pa sila. Biscoff. Matcha Biscoff, I guess. This naman nila. Oh my God, that looks dumb. Dream motorcycle. Mas okay yung kanina, no? Maganda rin sa'yo. Very natural.
Oo, parang ano, ML my lips, but better.
Wow! Tinitigan ako ni Buttercup kanina ko. Ni Buttercup yan, di ba? Huwag mo siya tinititigan. Buttercup yan? Okay. We love it. Do you love it? I love it. I love it. So you love it?
I love it.
Yes! Ako siya, guys. Ayos na. I like this one. Uy, wala lagayan. I think. Guys, bagay ba sa akin? Ayaw mo ng iba? Ibang frame? Look, I'm gloving as well. Lalag. Hi! Dito sa Sunny's, SM Lau. Yes. Lau na talaga sinasabi ko. Lau. 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 Andito kami sa curbside. Ano to? Sakuro. Kasi balak namin dito mag-dinner tonight. So I'm just waiting for them. Kuya naman, tinitingnan mo yung vlog ko. Struggle na iyan ako. Alam nyo. Kailangan masanay na ako to be in front of the camera and magsalita mag-isa.
Aray ko!
Ay, dyan ito. Hi! Hello! Okay, so, continue driving. Bye! See you later! See you.
It's a video. Look at her right now. Look at her. Oh!
Yeah! Bawang! Other term for? Balay.
Garlic.
Mahir sa'yo!
Hindi may disconnect ha.
Because you're the first owner and we are the second and third.
Bruh.
Negotiate. Yeah.
Is it yummy for everyone? Turns out, parang siyang leafy green sa ibang tao. Pero yung ano, may gin. Specific gin. Parang toothpaste. Ang lasa niya.
Hello guys. Lalakad lang kami. Don't mind us guys. Dito sa resort.
Hindi, pero sa likod, may gano'n, no?
Kasi magsa-sunset.
Ay, oo nga.
Sunset pics and then diretso kami mag-dinner.
Ayan.
Change outfit na pala kami. Look.
Angat ko pa, no? Wait. Try mo. Harap ako.
Kami sa okay, to do but it's over na lang. Hey guys, nandito kami sa Kuro for dinner. Birthday dinner ni Janine. Look at, it's going live. Sa TikTok ba to?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Thank you po!
Happy birthday po.
That's so sweet. Thank you po. Come on, so nice here. Hi guys. Kailangan ko nasanay na tumingin sa inyo instead of looking at myself. Days na next morning na, so we're getting ready. Kasi beach pictures muna kami. Balik kami dito sa Fat Wave para mag-breakfast. And then, another set of beach pictures. So, wow! Mwah! Mga kailangan patayin. Patayin na.
Okay.
Video yon. It's a video. Hello guys.
Nag-post pa siya.
Nag-post siya. We're about to eat our breakfast. Rice and shell. Because we're about to break a leg. Okay. So we have to eat
So
our
most like are you gonna break?
fast. The catch is we have to eat fast because it's break
Fast.
Yeah. Because it's not breakfast when you're eating it slowly. Fast and furious. Furious means angry. Yes, because anger. Anger. Because you're angry. You're wait. Hungry. So you should eat your breakfast fast. This looks so bomb, kaya parang gusto ko na siya i-try. Tanning done. Look at me guys. Ganda na ba yung color ko? Yes. I'm very happy with my color now.
Eto pa, ano ako? Okay lang ba yung haba niya? Sabi niya, no? Gusto ko din mag-ano. We've decided. Ay, we've decided na daw. Uy, ako din, magkasabi na ako. Sabi na ako na.
Finally, may enjoy namin ng LU kasi...
We're not gonna rush.
Oh, tsaka wala na masyadong tao, diba?
As an introvert, ever since.
Extreme. Ano? Tukol kay ChatGPT kung bakit matigas yung ulo.
Bakit siya matigas ulo niya?
Tapos mag-comment pa. Pagkang drinks ko pang forest.
Ay, wait! Ate, kinikilig ako.
Bruh.
I love Kuro. or for us?
Mas na lang po kayo sa kunin niyo since okay na po
Sino
yun.
po mag-serve and magpa-block?
Eh?
Okay, assist. Volleyball.
Bruh.
Sabi ka.
Oh my gosh, room number 5 again. Alam mo sa last naman, we're also in room number 5. This time, room number 5 again kami. Ay, kung kailan ako pinanganak, February 5. So 5 is a very, very special number for me. Pasok tayo. Safe. May towel sila, may hair dryer, though we don't need one kasi meron kaming blower. May slippers. Let me just close this one kasi yung init. Another view of the room. So peaceful. Ando sila sa labas. Ako, pumasok ako kasi I wanted to retouch. Also, mag-charge din ako ng phone. So, I'm so thankful for this experience. Look, may ano pa sila, may pa kisses. Dear Janine de la Cruz, kasi siya yung nag-book. Mosquito repellent spray. For the ears. You know, siguro maingay dito pagkagabi. Also, we sincerely apologize for any inconvenience caused by the ongoing daytime construction work next door. Oh, that's why may earplugs. Okay. Thank you, Thank you, Curbside. You guys really know how to take care of your guests. Curbside curated movies. Tingnan natin yung movies para siguro ito na lang gagawin namin tonight. Wow! Okay, yun lang guys. So, charge ko na yung phone ko and then mag-retouch ako. Derby!
Asan na? Wala na yung jeep. Isa pa lang eh. Mamadali siya guys, oh. Yan na ba? Sino ang producer niya? Ayan na.
Tingnan niyo yung friends niya, oh. Yeah. Very basic. Parang ano? Parang galing Shell Cafe. Like, okay, gonna come here. Sa sticker place, bigyan niyo po ako ng sticker na ganito. Oh, everyone was here. Nabili ko. Nakabalik na kami sa Curbside Villa ngayon. Nanonood kami ng House of Us. Magbabato topics kami ni Janine. Kasi...
Sige.
Round brush ang gamit nila. Isang title ba?
Hindi, pero anong pagka balik sa kanila.
berries, dalawang hibiscus juice, and 1 caramel macchiato.
Hindi siya nakakain.
Ano to? Caramel ba?
Caramel macchiato.
So bomb, diba? Oh my gosh. Guys, punta na kayo dito sa Puro.
Basta sa Partas, pumupunta ka na ng Partas, diretso, pwede walk-in doon. Partas Cubao.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
Guys, nandito kami sa ATG. Going to do a TikTok vid about this one.
Ano ba yung isa bago mag-alis na yun?
Maybe it came from ano lang pala, China lang pala, ganyan.
It's so cute.
Kasi
Perfect for
alam ko
this cup
matcha
size.
from China is really...
Ito, honey. Ay, itong honey, ganun siya. After namin dito, dyan na kami, ano,
Pa-record. Naimatay na siya sa aftertaste siya ng fruity.
pero una-halos pa pa.
Okay, so pupunta na kami ng Seabots kasi nandun na yung friend namin, si Ponce. Okay. Guys, ayun na si Ponce. Uy! Grabe talaga to si sister ko! Uy!
Actually, sabi sa ano meron?
Yung park validation.
Pero naubaran ka na eh.
Ano ito? Hindi ka na naman sa sumisigaw! Hi! Mga friendship! Ang ambag ko dito ay videoan sila. Sila lang magsa-surfing. Kami ni Janine, we're just gonna chill here. Hello! Hello! Nakikita ko kayo sa TikTok.
Okay.
No, ayan yung menu nila, guys. Ocean latte. Parang sea salt.
Hindi po.
Ay, ano ba yun?
Coffee latte lang po siya.
Ano po yung best seller nila?
May caramel macchiato pa.
Sa ano? Oh shit, tulog ako kanina. Okay, sorry.
Ay, sorry. Nag-sorry siya.
Mali!
Yo veo tu nombre y me sale en la foto.